Tammy, I just wanted to record this video here on the testimonials for Get Fearless Freedom. If you just go to the website in the description below here, you'll see getfearlessfreedomnow.com, and you'll get to see how amazing this community is and how amazing this business is. And most importantly, whoops, I forgot to switch over to my mic. Okay, here we go. Most importantly, how amazing these amazing members are. So we have Mary Beth, we have Kat, we have Anne, we have Christina, Sam, Terry, Julie, Valerie, Mel, Glenn, Tammy, Jolene, Kevin, Leah, Lee, Williams, Marco, Dr. Mike, Vince, we have Stratton, Donna, we have Wyman, Darvell, Ben, and Art. So these are the people that wanted to give us the testimonials. Now, of course, you don't have to if you don't want to, but if you do have a great experience, my customer service is literally top-notch in the digital marketing space. Now, I also wanted to mention the laptop. Okay, so let me go ahead and let me pause right here. Let's go to the laptops. So we just had another member, and these are dozens of laptops that go out. And this is Charles. He just got his laptop, and he got it this week, so he's so excited. It's like Christmas every day. And if you join at the 2,000 level, you'll be able to make commissions at 2,000 plus 100% with the laptop deal. So watch the 7-minute video. It explains all about the laptop, and you're going to love it. If you have any questions, you can call the callback, and you just can click the link below. Of course, getfearlessfreedomnow.com, and then you will see the testimonials, but you'll also see more people on the page with the 7-minute video. We've just re-edited it. I can't talk here tonight. It's been a long week, and it's Thursday, so it's typically my day off. This is my new why. This is my daughter, Amanda, and we are having a blast. So I just want you guys to know you can connect with me over on Facebook. You can see my results as always. Oh, another thing I wanted to talk about was testimonials. This is my son here, Rob. He actually works with my husband in the auction business, and we have that information in the actual 500 level. So when you go to the 500 level, you'll actually get to see how my husband recommends different places to do auction arbitrage. And we don't talk about that much in detail until a mastermind comes up, but auction arbitrage is really, really cool. So we're going to be doing that next week. So anyone that joins in at the 500 level, we're going to have a live training for that. And then anyone that joins at the 1,000 level will have a supreme training for that. So it's pretty cool. I'm excited. My name's Tammy. I'm the Fearless Mama, and I want you to be fearless. Take care. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Ring the notifications, because right now, what am I doing? I'm actually ranking other videos, and I'm using something called vidIQ. You can always learn about that. But it helps me out so much to get reach and to get more views, to get more people involved, and I teach and train how you can set up your own YouTube channel. So there you go. There's another little secret. These are my testimonials. Happy customers and results are not typical, and our earnings disclaimer is on there. These are not earnings disclaimers. These are just people that share the information and the business, and we're not one of those opportunities where you have to constantly see that. In fact, my customer base is mainly customers that use my products, okay, my sales funnels. So it's a very much a standard wraparound funnel for any other business opportunity. I've used it for 6 years with other businesses, and I'm telling you, it's amazing. So anyway, have a great day, and I will see you on the next video.